Turmeric contains heavy metals and damages liver cells, leads to poor iron absorption. Is it really true? Can turmeric be that dangerous? But Ayurveda has always mentioned turmeric as a great support to overall health. Then why these reports? What is right and what is wrong? Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra and welcome to eBlosis. Today, I will help you to understand the truth about the said harms turmeric can be causing with an Ayurvedic explanation, so stay tuned. In modern science, we need to understand biochemistry to understand the things. But when it comes to Ayurveda, we need to understand bioenergies, which tells us that how that things acts in the body, its potential effects on physiological side of the body as well as psychological aspect on the body. So Ayurveda quotes following properties of turmeric. It is bitter and pungent in taste, Ushnavirya, that is, it is warm in nature, dry, light in nature, and balances all three doshas. If we see the reference of Dhanvantari Nigantu, that is a book in Ayurveda, you will see, looking into this, turmeric is helpful in various disorders such as it is anti-helminthic, anemia, skin disorder. You talk about diabetes, it reduces infections, inflammations, promotes wound healing, reduces toxicity, fights cancer cells, and is antioxidant. Even this research article of 2020 shows that turmeric and its major compound curcumin has wide range of health benefits on the body. And a study done 2021 shows that turmeric also has better role in cancer treatment. Another reviewed report that states that bioactive compounds of turmeric called as curcumin binds with cadmium and expel these heavy metals out from the body. So we see that from Vedas to researches, turmeric has so much benefits and it is a wonderful herb which balances all three doshas. So where is the problem? First of all, the poor source of turmeric. When turmeric is grown in polluted land or a soil contaminated with industrial waste, effluents or heavy metals, it poses hidden danger despite its reputation as a powerful health-boosting herb. This is because turmeric, like other plants, absorbs nutrients from the soil, but it also absorbs toxins present in the land. Absorption of heavy metals from polluted soil. Turmeric plants are highly efficient at absorbing elements from the soil, including harmful heavy metals like lead, you talk about arsenic, cadmium, etc. When grown on contaminated land such as near industrial areas, factories or places with untreated effluent waste, these heavy metals get stored in the turmeric root. Presence of excessive exposure of pesticides. Effluent waste often contains harmful chemicals such as pesticides, fertilizer and industrial solvents. When turmeric is grown in such land, the root can become a reservoir of toxic residues, which remain even after the drying and the powdering process. Next is loss of medicinal value. Turmeric grown in polluted soil loses its medicinal potency because the active compound curcumin gets masked by the harmful presence of toxins. Instead of acting as an antioxidant and detoxifier, such turmeric becomes a potential source of contamination. Another problem is poor regulations and quality control. In regions where environmental regulations are weak or poorly enforced, turmeric can be grown in areas exposed to untreated wastewater or industrial runoff. So without third-party testing, contaminated turmeric often reaches market due to a lack of strict quality checks. A study in JETR shows that if turmeric is grown in such a soil which has heavy metals, chemical residues or effluent discharge from the industries may get absorbed in turmeric and causes side effects. So it's not turmeric itself that causes side effects or poor health outcome, but rather the source from which it is obtained. If any herb or food is contaminated or sourced improperly, it can lead to potential side effects rather than providing the intended health benefit. So the solution, start growing these herbs at home for the freshest, most trusted quality, or buy them only from reliable, reputable sources. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Feel free to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Stay healthy. I will catch you in the next video. Lots of love to all beautiful souls out there. Namaste.